Good morning, students. Today we will discuss chemical reactions of haloarenes. Students, in earlier classes we already discussed about chemical reactions of haloalkanes. Haloalkane main reaction is nucleophilic substitution reaction. That reaction occurs in two ways, SN1 and SN2. But students, haloarenes are very less reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reaction. What are the reasons? Today we will discuss in detail why aromatic halide do not respond nucleophilic substitution reaction so frequently, because they are very less reactive towards nucleophilic substitution. So first we revise what is a nucleophilic substitution reaction. In this we know aliphatic halide, carbon bonded with halogen, that is sp3 hybridized carbon atom. It is partially charged due to difference of electronegativity of halogen and carbon. So we get positive and negative charge. A nucleophile can attack either any side, it can attack back side, or it can attack after formation of a carbocation. So if it attack back side, then we get the product is inverted product. We already discussed this in haloalkanes. And if this haloarenes can occurs like this in situation, at first it's form a carbocation, and carbocation is stable due to difference region depend on the halide. If this halide is tertiary halide, so that carbocation is tertiary carbocation, that one stable due to inductive effect and hyperconjugation effect. So in first step this occurs, and this step is slow step. In second step what happen? This one planar geometry. So a nucleophile can attack, this nucleophile can attack on the top or bottom, it can attack top or bottom. So we get two different products. If stereo product, that is D and L, we get mixtures of product in this reaction. So this one is fast recapitulation, nucleophilic substitution reaction. First step is SN2 mechanism. In this a transition state occurs. When the nucleophile attack, then we get a pentavalent situation, and the halogen is removed out and nucleophile attack. So in earlier classes we already discussed these chemical reaction in detail. If you have any problem, then you can watch earlier video. First step, this occurs in two steps. First slow step, and then nucleophile can attack either any side. This same situation we want to apply in haloarenes. In haloarenes, students, what happen? If we take example of chlorobenzene. In chlorobenzene, a nucleophile when attack, then what happen? What are the conditions? So this reaction do not occurs in haloarenes so fast, because it do not respond immediately. What are the reasons? So we will discuss in detail. First reason is resonance effect. Resonance effect means, in this resonance, how can we write resonance structure? So I can write again this chlorobenzene. In this chlorobenzene, we know halogen has 3 lone pair of electrons. So how can a resonance occurs? Resonance can occur, say lone pair can make pi bond, and pi bond can make a lone pair, or a further lone pair can, pi bond can shift to next bond. That is three situation in a resonance. So this lone pair move towards this side and this pi electron can move. In 11th class we already discussed what is a resonance, and this resonance known as plus R effect, plus R, this known as plus R effect. So chlorine get doubly bonded, partially double bond, and it has positive charge, carbon appears negative. So this one is a resonance structure. Next, how can we draw? This pi electron, this lone pair can make pi bond and pi can make lone pair. So in this way we can draw the resonance structure of chlorine. In the next structure also, and finally this pi electron move and chlorine bears. So we get this type. It show chlorobenzene show overall 5 resonating structure. In this carbon halogen bond, if we observe in these 3 structures, this carbon halogen bond is double bond character. So this when a nucleophile attack, so this bond slightly definitely more stable. So a nucleophile could not substitute the halogen easily. So this is the one reason why aromatic halide do not respond nucleophilic substitution reaction so fast. So one is the first reason. This plus R effect also known as plus M effect also. Its other name is plus M. M means mesomeric effect. So lone pair donate into the ring. So this effect known as resonance effect. Another effect we will explain now, hybridization. In this hybridization, if we draw the structure of chlorobenzene, we know in this chlorobenzene this carbon has 3 sigma bond and 1 pi bond. So pi bond is not considered in hybridization, so it is sp2 hybridized carbon. But in haloalkane, this carbon attached 4 sigma bond, so it is sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Reason 4 sigma bond, there is only 3 sigma bond. Pi bond is not considered in hybridization. So what happened in this hybridization? Carbon has 25% S character. How can we find the percent of S character? Because total 1 S and 3 P, total 4. Out of 4, S character is only 1. So 1 by 4 into 100. So we get 25%. And in this total 3, 1 S and 2 P. So it's get 33% S character. More the S character, carbon is more electronegative, means more S character, carbon is more electronegative. More electronegative. So what happened? This carbon electronegativity is increased than haloalkane carbon. So this carbon and chlorine bond length is shorter. Why? because this carbon has more strength. So in this haloarine, carbon chlorine bond length, this bond length found 169 picometer, carbon chlorine bond length. But in alkyl halide, this carbon chlorine bond length found 177 picometer, means longer bond, this slightly shorter bond. Hence we know when we dissociate this bond, then it's required more energy. Why? It is shorter bond, because when we dissociate any larger thing, that easily dissociate than smaller thing. So the reason, so it's required more energy. So this do not dissociate easily. So this one is the second reason why aromatic halide do not respond nucleophilic substitution reaction so easily. Third reason, we identify another reason. If the reaction occurs according to SN1 mechanism, if we imagine the reaction proceed through SN1 mechanism. So in SN1 mechanism, the reaction occurs through carbocation formation, So if this aryl halide, when chlorine is removed out, then it's form a carbocation. That carbocation is phenylcation. Phenylcation is unstable. Why? We can write here like C6H5Cl, and phenylcation we can write C6H5 plus. Friends, so this all carbon already sp2 hybridized, and the carbocation also sp2 hybridized. So it is not further stabilized because its aromatic system also disturbed. Every carbon in this already sp2 hybridized, so it is not further stabilized. So this reaction do not respond SN1 mechanism because it is not stable. If we try to make it resonance, then how can we make? So this pi electron already bonded and positive charge also occurs. If we imagine it do not show resonance, Why? Because it is this pi electron already has this carbon, and one other electron also lose. So this is highly unstable, so it do not respond further resonance. If we draw its resonance, then we can draw like this. If positive charge, then this pi electron, if we imagine like that, then its aromatic system is not maintained. Its positive charge is reduced, but other carbon get positive charge, and it is not so stable because aromatic system is destabilized. So this do not show resonance structure. So third reason is, if the reaction occurs as SN1 mechanism through phenylcation, that do not respond further resonance. Why? Because in phenyl all carbon already sp2 hybridized, and a carbocation also a sp2 hybridized carbon atom. So it is not stable and aromatic system is disturbed. Next reason is, if the reaction occurs through, fourth reason we can write here, if the reaction occurs, if we imagine SN2 mechanism. In SN2 mechanism, what? If I write like this, if a chlorobenzene, and we know this is 6 electron system, the aromatic system is a electron rich system, 6 pi electron. So if nucleophile attack backside, then what happen? This nucleophile how can attack? If it attack like backside, because nucleophile have to attack on this carbon, this nucleophile could not attack front. Why? It is already negatively charged. On back side there is a repulsion due to electron rich system and nucleophile already electron rich negative charge. So between these there is repulsion occurs. So this reaction do not respond. So these four regions, first is resonance. Due to resonance, carbon halogen, due to resonance, it is bond is partially double bond character. So due to this first step, resonance, it show partially double bond character. Second region is hybridization. So this carbon is more electronegative, so carbon halogen bond is shorter bond, so it's required more energy to dissociate. Third reason, if we imagine the reaction occurs through SN1 through carbocation, that also not stable because phenylcation do not show resonance because it aromatic system disturb and already all carbon is sp2 hybridized. Fourth reason is if nucleophile attack backside, then the aromatic halide is a rich system, so its phase repulsion, so no reaction occurs. So these four reasons you students you summarize why aromatic halide do not respond nucleophilic substitution reaction. Although it's give the nucleophilic substitution reaction if you apply very extreme condition. Now we write the example. Now students, we write a reaction of chlorobenzene. This chlorobenzene when react with sodium hydroxide, aqueous sodium hydroxide at 623 Kelvin temperature and 300 atmospheric pressure. If we apply pressure 300 atmospheric pressure and 623 Kelvin temperature in first step, then this carbon chlorine bond is dissociate and we get ONA, sodium phenoxide. But in second step, if after acidification, it's convert into phenol. In second step, after acidification we get phenol. So we can write like this. In first step we write like we get phenol. Students, in this reaction what do you mean by first and second? First means this after completion of this reaction we apply second step. Sometimes students confuse what is first and second. Means after completion of reaction then we get this product. Or we can write in this way. First if we write alone this reaction chlorobenzene when react with sodium hydroxide aqueous at 623 Kelvin temperature and 300 atmospheric pressure, then what happen? This bond is dissociate, we get sodium phenoxide ONA. After acidification we get in acidic medium we get the product phenol. So students, in this reaction what happen? This special process known as Dawes process. Dawes process means we have to apply extreme condition. Normally they do not respond the nucleophilic substitution reaction, but when we apply extreme condition they can convert chlorobenzene into phenol. First step we get phenoxide, then acidification. So this reaction we can use to prepare aromatic alcohol like phenols. So students, if we apply, अगर हम इसको डेली लाइफ से में समझें, आपके पास अगर कोई बहुत ज़्यादा फोर्स हो, कोई दूसरा वर्क हो आप वो काम करने के लिए प्रेशराइज हो जाएंगे। ऐसे ही क्लोरोबेंजीन, अगर हम बहुत ज़्यादा इस पर प्रेशर अप्लाई करेंगे, टेम्परेचर लगाएंगे, तो ये बॉन्ड टूट भी सकता है, और ऐसा टूटता है। नॉर्मली ये रिएक्शन नहीं होती है, उसका वो रीज़न है। If we write like this structure, some withdrawing group, if we write here nitro as a withdrawing group in this, we can say para nitrochlorobenzene, or we can write 4-chloronitrobenzene. You can write any side numbering because both are as a substituent. So if this compound we take this reaction, nucleophilic substitution reaction, using sodium hydroxide aqueous, and temperature also we need only 443 Kelvin, and no need to write here pressure. And second step we can write as acidification, aqueous step. Then we get, students, chlorine is removed out and we get like this compound. Means we get para-nitrophenol. So if we write in this two withdrawing group in chlorobenzene, if we write two withdrawing group at ortho and para position, we know these are nearby position are ortho and opposite position is para, and 1/3 and 1/5 position are meta. So we write one at para and other nitro group at ortho position. Then what we observe, further the reaction medium also slower and reactions are facilitate towards project side. Sodium hydroxide aqueous. Now further no need to write pressure, only we require temperature, that is reduced 368 Kelvin. This reaction, students, given in your NCERT book. And second step we write only slightly aqueous acidic medium. So we get this reaction, means phenol 2,4-dinitrophenol. Generally students, we forgot to write the bonding, so you should remember to write either 3 double bond or you write a circle. So this reaction facilitates if 3 withdrawing group attached both ortho and para position, then what we get, if like this chlorine 3 NO2 group attached ortho, both side ortho and para. So this one is 2,4,6 trinitrochlorobenzene. 2,4,6 trinitrochlorobenzene, only warm with water. Warm with water. No need to sodium hydroxide. No need to any temperature. Slightly warm with water. Warm with water, we get this type compound. Two, 4, 6 trinitrophenol. Students, this one is 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. Very strong acid. Although it is alcohol, but its common name is known as picric acid. Picric acid. Why? It is very strong acid, 3 electron withdrawing group. So this hydrogen is very fast ionizable. So it is used as acid. although it is alcohol, aromatic alcohol, but behave as a acid, so its common name is picric acid. So students, the question, if you observe, if there is any withdrawing group, then the reaction condition required 623 Kelvin temperature and 300 atmospheric pressure. But when the withdrawing group attached at para position and ortho para position, so the reaction conditions are decreased. First temperature reduce and pressure we have to remove out. Ultimately we get warm with water the reaction. So what are the reason? Now we find in its resonance structure why this reaction facilitate at ortho and para position only, and meta, if this nitro group attached at meta position, then it has no effect. So this nitro group means this type group known as EWG. What do you mean by EWG? Electron withdrawing group. Electron withdrawing group. So electron withdrawing group facilitate this reaction. Why? Because a nucleophile attack due to in positive center. If it's remove electron, so easily nucleophile attack on chlorine, because we have to remove chlorine. When the electrons are less, then easily attack the nucleophile, want nucleus. So that are the reason. Now we explain why its affect at ortho and para position, and if it attached at meta position, do not affect this reaction. Now we write para nitrochlorobenzene. In this reaction, when attack any nucleophile, means OH nucleophile attack, where attack nucleophile? Nucleophile attack at positive center, because this chlorine remove out the electron, so this one is electropositive center. So what happen? This pi electron move towards this carbon. So students, this step is slow step. Slow step means this reaction occurs if we imagine SN2 mechanism. In slow step, two substances are react to each other, nucleophile as well as haloarenes. So we can write its resonance structure, because chlorine is not removed out yet and OH attack. So this carbon is sp3 hybridized. Others we can write like this structure. In this way we can write in nitrogen at positive charge, and this oxygen we can write negatively charged, and there is also negative. So further it show resonance. So how can we write resonance? This electron can move like this, and further this pi electron on this carbon at para position. So we can write structure it like this. Negative charge on para position carbon. So if you students, this negative charge and this required positive, so this electron move towards nitrogen side. So it facilitates to remove this electron, so that this reaction easily attack when nitro group attached at para position, because this negative charge at para carbon and this electron move towards nitrogen side. If not move, then it can be write like this furthermore structure. And this electron also this side. If it is not released out, we want only to explain this structure. Further, ultimately what happen? This pi electron move and chlorine is released out. So these are slow step. We can write all these three steps in one step, that known as resonance hybrid. Resonance hybrid. In this resonance hybrid, out of these three structures we can write in a one structure, chlorine, OH, and if we observe at ortho and para position has negative charge, so we can write like this, condition and negative charge. At para position, nitrogen attached. So we can draw this one is resonance hybrid structure. In this resonance hybrid, all three structures are included. In first step, ultimately what happen? First step, and this chlorine is remove out. Chlorine remove out as nucleophile outside, so we get the product is phenol, para-nitrophenol. If we write at ortho position a nitro group, then we observe how can this reaction occurs. Students, a nucleophile OH act as a nucleophile, its attack on this carbon that bonded with halogen. So what happen? We observe like this situation. In this we find chlorine and OH, that is sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Further, this pi electron move towards this carbon side, so its bears negatively charged, and here nitrogen is attached as withdrawing group. So this nitrogen bears positive charge. So this electron move towards this side, and easily this oxygen further remove the electron. So this electron facilitate towards nitro group, so the nucleophile easily can attack on this carbon because this side is electropositive center, slightly it facilitates the reaction. Further, we can write its resonance. If electron it is not moved like this, then it can move in this way. So we can draw the structure. And negative charge at para position. Now further, this electron move and it show one more structure. In this way structure, in three structures, students, if you see carefully, then what happen? We make a resonance hybrid structure. In these three structures, first, second, third, all these three structures, negative charge at ortho and para position, and withdrawing group situated at ortho position, so it facilitates the reaction. If we draw its resonance hybrid, we can write like this. Negative charge on this ortho and para position, and this one is electron withdrawing group. After that, first reaction, this one is resonance hybrid. means all the three structures include in this one structure. So negative electron facilitate the withdrawing group this side when attached ortho position. Ultimately, it fast reaction, fast withdrawing the chloride, and we get orthonitrophenol. Orthonitrophenol. When chloronitrobenzene, if nitro attached at meta position, then we find what happen. When a nucleophile attack, in this reaction, first step we know, slow step. So this nucleophile attack on that carbon, halogen attached. So this pi electron move towards other side, and this nitrogen bears positive, oxygen negative. So further we can write its resonance structure. And nitro group attached at meta position. Next, this pi electron move, further pi electron move. Again its pi electron move at para position and then ortho. In 11th class we already discussed this resonating structure, how can we draw. After that, ultimately we can write these three structures, one structure, that is resonance hybrid structure. Resonance hybrid. In this resonance hybrid, one carbon sp3 hybridize, and this ortho and para position negative charge, and at meta position nitro group attached. Ultimately, last first step, this removal of chloride ion, and we get meta-nitrophenol. Students, if we carefully observe in these structures, ortho, para and meta, different resonance, then what we observe? If we observe ortho, then nitro group attached, that carbon has negative charge. If you observe in all the structures, negative charge only ortho and para position. Ortho and para position. In meta position, neither positive nor negative. So when the nitro group attached at meta position, then it do not remove out the electron from benzene ring. So incoming nucleophile do not facilitate nitro group towards nucleophilic substitution reaction. But when nitro group attach ortho and para position, that time it's remove the electron easily and the incoming nucleophile faster rate of reaction. So that if this like reagent, if (2,4,6) trinitrochlorobenzene, if 3 nitro group attached at ortho and para position 2,4,6 trinitrochlorobenzene, then this reaction only needs water to facilitate the reaction, warm with water only, and we get the product. But other reactions required, so temperature, pressure, and the reagent sodium hydroxide as a base. In second step we needs acid. So this reaction first occurs at only warm with water. The reason is 3 electron withdrawing group situated at ortho and para position. So students, this question comes in exam. Why, when any withdrawing group attached at ortho and para position facilitate the reaction, but when withdrawing group attached at meta position do not facilitate the reaction, then what you have to do? Then write the resonance structure. You can easily write, if you draw the movement of electron next carbon, pi bond, then lone pair, you can make easily, and you clearly you observe at meta position do not affect, because negative electron not remove out from the ring, so the nucleophile could not facilitate the reaction. So in this way the aromatic halide do not respond nucleophilic substitution reaction. I think you are clear with this concept, and if you have any problem, write in comment box, like and subscribe, share the needy student. Tomorrow students, we will study a new reaction, that is electrophilic substitution reaction. The main important reaction of aromatic halide is electrophilic substitution reaction. So that reaction we will study in detail tomorrow. So haloarenes reactions tomorrow we will finish. Thank you. Have a nice day.